Quick update on Palantir. We've been covering this for the past couple of days, and with a dovish Jerome Powell today, the market saw a massive surge, and Palantir, while it was not up massively, is still holding this support level that we talked about. Something that was very important about today's session is the weekly BX trender. Now that is going to be the indicator down here at the bottom of your screen. You can see that while we are showing a decrease in buying pressure, it is still green, which is a good sign. If the BX had closed red, that's where I would get worried for price to come back down to that 140 support that we talked about, and worst case down to $90. Now, I will say that I am not a buyer of Palantir at this point. It doesn't mean that price can't continue to run, but in my opinion, it's not a stock that is trading at discount, and that is normally what I need to be doing in order to buy a stock. Stock has to have bullish structure, it has to be trading at a discount, and I don't think the risk versus reward is really worth starting a position at this point. But if I was somebody who got in within the 90s and the 80s, I would continue to hold until this BX trender indicator turns red. Now, as we've seen in the past, the BX turning red is not necessarily an indication to short. We could have gotten a short here, but what it normally indicates is that price is going to stop the breakout. We're normally going to get either multi-week compression, which means it's going to sit sideways, or a multi-week retracement, which means the stock is going to pull back. So if that happens, I would personally be removing my position. If you want to get access to the BX Trender Indicator completely for free, the link to all of our courses and indicators are down in the description, and the BX Trender is part of our Step 1 Masterclass series. Hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.